The proverb habit is second nature encapsulates the idea that repeated actions or behaviors can become so ingrained in a person's character that they feel almost as natural as inherent traits. It suggests that habits, whether positive or negative, can exert a significant influence on a person's life. Habits are formed through repetition. When we consistently engage in a particular action or behavior, our brains adapt to make that action more automatic and require less conscious effort. Over time, these actions become habitual and we may perform them without even thinking. Positive habits such as regular exercise, healthy eating, or a daily reading routine can have a profoundly beneficial impact on one's life. These habits can lead to improved physical health, enhanced mental well being, and personal growth. When good habits become second nature, they contribute to a happier and more fulfilling life. Conversely, negative habits like smoking, overeating, or procrastination can also become deeply ingrained. Breaking these habits can be challenging because they have become a part of one's routine. However, recognizing the power of habits and their potential to shape our lives is the first step towards change. The proverb serves as a reminder that individuals have the capacity to mold their behavior and character through conscious effort and repetition. By choosing to cultivate positive habits and eliminate detrimental ones, we can effectively shape our second nature to align with our aspirations and values. In essence, habit is second nature underscores the importance of self awareness and deliberate action in personal development. It encourages us to assess our habits critically as they play a crucial role in shaping who we are and the life we lead. By fostering constructive habits, we can positively transform our second nature and in turn enhance our overall quality of life.